So these are the Pixfra Draco multispectral binoculars. Like a lot of Pixfra devices, they have a built-in compass, and it's quite easy to set up. Now, just make sure that you're outside and away from any interference from any other magnetic fields when you do this. Go into the main menu, and you want the cog setting, which is system settings. That's the last option on page 2. When you're in there, again, page 2, you want compass correction, and you'll see that there's a series of instructions to rotate the device smoothly in this plane, in this plane, and then in this plane. And when you've done that, all within 20 seconds, there's another instruction that says point the lens towards north and click confirm. Now, if you get your phone with a compass on it, point that towards north and line up your device, your Pixfra device, as closely as you can, and press the confirm button. And that's it. That seems to work. That says that's north, which is exactly where it was. That should be about, that says that's, on my phone it says it's about 140, I've got it at 160, so there's a bit of tolerance there, but it's pretty accurate. So it can take a few goes, but check it against a compass, and if it's within a tolerance of 10 or 15%, then you're good to go. Just remember that if you're using it wherever there is other magnetic interference, and that can include your phone, then that will disrupt the effectiveness of the compass that's built into the device. Thanks for watching.